Hello everyone. So we are continuing with our mapping series. Today we will see the South Indian zone. South India में जो 5 स्टेट है केरला, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका, then Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We will cover these state biodiversity of these states. So today first state is state of Tamil Nadu. तमिलनाडु में जो है एक पांच नेशनल पार्क आते हैं. वन इज गुंडी नेशनल पार्क, सेकेंड इज गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार नेशनल पार्क, थर्ड इज मुदुमलाई नेशनल पार्क, फोर्थ इज मुकुर्ती नेशनल पार्क एंड फिफ्थ इज अनामलाई नेशनल पार्क. ओके, दीज आर द नेशनल पार्क. देन वहाँ पे 3 टाइगर रिजर्व है. वन इज अनामलाई टाइगर रिजर्व, अनदर इज सत्यमंगलम टाइगर रिजर्व एंड अदर इज मुदनथुराई टाइगर रिजर्व. ये जो सत्यमंगलम टाइगर रिजर्व है, यूपीएससी आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन दैट which of the following location is located at the junction of the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. So this Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve is located at the junction of the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. Now in 2019 UPSC asked a very good question that in Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve which of the following is included. Okay, I will provide this map on my channel. कि ये जो क्वेश्चन था कि why this is necessary to draw a rough map of these states. तो ये रफ मैप ड्रॉ करना इतना जरूरी है बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट इमेजिनेशन फ्रॉम दैट मैप आई कुड सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो इतना ईजी था. बाय दिस यू कैन अर्न 2 marks. ओके, सो दिस विल गिव एन एज अबव अदर्स. दैट्स व्हाई दिस मैपिंग सीरीज इज वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट. सो उन्होंने पूछा था कि अगस्त्यमलाई में कौन से है, तो दे आस्क्ड वन क्वेश्चन दैट दिस इज इट पॉसिबल. आई थिंक आई विल शो यू दिस मैप. ओके, सो यहाँ पे तो आपको ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलेगा. तो आई विल अपलोड दिस मैप ऑन चैनल. तो यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए कि वो क्वेश्चन भी मैं अपलोड करूँगा. देन वहाँ पे जो है ये एक रामसर साइट है, दैट इज़ पॉइंट कैलिमर रामसर साइट. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट छोलापुरम टेम्पल्स जो बृहदेश्वर है, ऐरावतेश्वर एंड बृहदेश्वर पे जो छोलापुरम टेम्पल्स है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is again significant because recently there was an informal summit of President Xi Jinping and Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Mahabalipuram. Okay, you should be very curious about that Mahabalipuram. Then third is mountain railway at Uti, and this mountain railway is again in Darjeeling. That is also World Heritage Site. And one mic site is there, that is Nilgiri. 2 biosphere reserves are there. One is Nilgiri and another is Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve, and these biosphere reserve they are again in Kerala. Okay, the second state is our Karnataka. In Karnataka there are 5 national parks. One is Banerghatta, then Bandipur, then Anshi, then Nagarhole, and then Kudremukh. Okay, so these are the national parks in Karnataka. There is no Ramsar site, and there are again 5 tiger reserve. One is again Bandipur, Nagarhole, then Anshi Dandeli is there, then Bilgiri Rangnath is there, then another is Bhadra. Okay, these 5 tiger reserve. This Nagarhole and Bandipur National Park, they were in news because of the invasive species, and because of that there were many of the forest fire incidences. Okay, so you should be reading about that. They asked this question in many of the test series. Okay, there is one biosphere reserve, that is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, and there are 2 World Heritage Site. That is a group of monument at Hampi, and second is group of monument at Pattadakal. Okay, then one mic site is there, that is Mysore. See, like 1 or 2 years before there was this news about the Mahadai river. Mahadai river, this river was in news, and this river passes through Karnataka and Goa. Okay, so this group of monuments at Pattadakal, this Mahadai river passes through there. Okay, and last time they asked about matching of the Hampi, and they gave one pair. They gave Tungabhadra, but it was a wrong option because Malaprabha river passes through Hampi. Okay, so ये बहुत सारे tricky questions बन रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस, एंड जस्ट देखना कि क्या न्यूज़ में है, एंड रिलेटेड टू दैट यू प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज स्टेट ऑफ तेलंगाना. तेलंगाना में है 3 नेशनल पार्क. दैट इज वन इज मुरुगवेनी नेशनल पार्क, सेकेंड इज महावीर हरिना वनस्थली नेशनल पार्क, एंड थर्ड इज कासु ब्रह्मानंद रेड्डी नेशनल पार्क. एंड वहाँ पे 2 टाइगर रिजर्व है. दैट इज वन इज कावल टाइगर रिजर्व. इट इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द this Tadoba Tiger Reserve, which is there in Maharashtra, this extension. And second is Amrabad Tiger Reserve. This Amrabad Tiger Reserve, it is again extended to the Andhra Pradesh state, and there it is known as Nagarjun Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. Then second state, then again next state is state of Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, we have again 3 national park. One is Papikonda National Park, another is Rameshwaram National Park, and third is Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Okay, these are 3 national parks in Andhra Pradesh. And there is one Ramsar site, that is Koleru Lake. See, Koleru Lake भी बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में है. They asked this question that Krishna River passes through Koleru Lake. No, Krishna River doesn't pass through Koleru Lake. Okay, then वहाँ पे जो है एक टाइगर रिजर्व है, दैट इज नागार्जुन सागर श्रीशैलम टाइगर रिजर्व. एंड वहाँ पे देर इज वन बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, दैट इज शेषाचलम बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. इट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द मैन एंड बायोस्फीयर प्रोग्राम. ओके, द नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज द स्टेट ऑफ केरला. केरला में भी जो शोला फॉरेस्ट है in the Nilgiri biosphere reserve. This Nilgiri biosphere reserve, it was in news because there is this neutrino observatory. It was being built at this Theni in Tamil Nadu. This Theni location, it is 5 kilometer. It is 5 kilometer from the Nilgiri biosphere reserve, and under the extraordinary circumstances, center has given environmental clearance to this neutrino biodiversity, laboratory. So you should be reading about that. There is a possibility that they can ask this question. So there are 3 national park in Nilgiri biosphere reserve, that is Mattiketan Shola, Pampadan Shola, and Anamudi Shola. Okay, these 3. Then again Periyar National Park is there in Kerala. Then Ervikulam National Park is there in Kerala, and Silent Valley National Park. You know about Silent Valley movement. It was again a national environmental movement. Okay, Silent Valley movement. This Kunti Puza river passes through Silent Valley. UPSC they ask about matching of the river Kaveri with the Silent Valley, but you know that Kaveri doesn't pass through the state of Kerala. Okay, see, इतने simple question आते हैं mapping में. You have to just apply the mind, just common sense. With only common sense you can pass your prelims. Okay, so जितना ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है उतना करना है, प्रीलिम्स हाथ से जानी नहीं चाहिए. Okay, then in Kerala there are 3 Ramsar sites from north to south. There is Vemnad Lake, then Sastamkota, and then Ashtamudi Lagoon. Then there are 2 tiger reserve, Periyar Tiger Reserve and Parambikulam Tiger Reserve, and 2 biosphere reserve. Again there is Agastya Malai and Nilgiri, and one mic site is there, that is Wayanad. Okay, so through this we have covered the southern zone. In southern zone they ask many questions related to this environment. Okay, because biodiversity is very rich in the southern states, so there is high possibility that they can ask many questions based on this. Okay, so read about this, practice this question. I will upload some question based on this on my channel. So try share this video with maximum people. Also subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notification, so that you will be updated about all the videos I post, because for prelims preparation we will be covering each and every section in very detail through these videos. Okay, so stay safe, study hard. Thank you.